Let's solve this question. It's given that a woman placed certain amounts in money of money in two deposits A and B. The amount placed in deposit B was 50% more than that in A. Okay, so A and B, the amount placed in B is was 50% more than that in A. So if he has uh, deposited 2x in this, that means 50% more, that means 3x. Now deposits A and B earn compound interest at 25%. Okay, so compound interest at 25% per annum and 50% per annum respectively. If interest on both the deposits were compounded annually and the difference in the compound interest on the two deposits was 835 in the end of 3 years. Okay, so it's given that difference between difference between the two in 3 years, that comes out to be 835. So first of all, the difference between the compound interest in 2 years. That means, first of all, what is the first principal in case of B's compound interest and in A's compound interest? The difference would be, this would be 835. Okay. So what is B's compound interest? That would be 3x. What is the formula for calculating amount? That is P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. And how can we calculate compound interest? That is nothing but A minus P. Okay. So this would be 1 plus 50%, 50 upon 100 to the power 3 minus 3x. This is for compound interest for B, and for A it would be 2x into 1 plus 25% whole cube minus 2x. This is equals to 835. So we can calculate the value of x from here. So let's just solve this. This would be 3x. This would get cancelled out. This would be 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 cube, and this is minus 3x minus 2x. This would be 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4. 5 by 4 cube, and this would be plus 2x. Okay, so minus 3x and my plus 2x would be minus x, and this would be 3 to the power 4, that is 81, x upon 2 cube, that is 8. This is this would be 5 cube, that is 125x, and this would be 4 cube, that is 64, but 64 divided by 64 gets cancelled out by 2, so this would be 32. Okay, and this is equals to 835. So we can calculate the value of x from here. This would give us 8 fours are, so 81 into 4, we will calculate the LCM. 81 into 4 would be 8 fours are 32, 324. Okay, 324 minus 125, so this comes out to be 75. 200 plus 70 plus 24, so this would be 199. Okay, so 199x upon 32 minus x is equals to 835, or 199 minus 30, that is 169. 167x is equals to 835 into 32, or x comes out to be 835 into 32 upon 167. So let's calculate the value. You can use your calculator on it's on-screen calculator for this. So 835 into 32 divided by 167. This comes out to be 160. So the value of x comes out to be 160. Now what was needed to be calculated? What is the sum of the initial amounts deposited in the, okay, sum of the initial, no? So that is 2x plus 3x, that is 5 into x, that is 5 into 160, that comes out to be 800. So 800 is the correct answer for this question.